Hello everyone. Today going to talk about a little about myself. First, who am I? Hi everybody, my name is Nelson. I am 27 years old. I'm from Cartagena. Right now, I live with my parents and grandparents and study at the virtual in center. My favorite hobbies are go to gym, read books, watch new and watch the movie and watch news in YouTube. In general, my routine is wake up at 7 p.m. and take a shower at 8 p.m. and later go to school where sometimes teach English and informatics. Then go to gym at 12 p.m. An hour later, go to lunch. Then go to home for make the class for next day and look the activities of ants. Going to dinner at 6 or 7 p.m. and finally going to sleep at 10 p.m. Why study in Adsi? I consider Adsi is a course where I can get the knowledge for to be a good programmer and enjoy work with technology. And consider that this profession is the future for the world that always is changing the world. So I made good friends and partners where I help me to be a good person and I could learn more about the technology because it's the reason that I enjoy studying at Citizen. Well, it was my presentation. I hope that was enjoyed and thanks.